Let's take a closer look at the Verified Carrier, or VC. This initiative is designed to provide clarity and confidence when working with our carrier network. The VC badge is the visual identifier that signals when a carrier is a VC, which is platform-specific. Whenever you see this badge displayed next to a carrier connection, it means that carrier is verified. It's important to point out that the badge applies to individual carriers, not to carrier groups. For example, not all DPD carriers are included in the program. You'll want to look carefully at the connection details to confirm VC membership. The badge is also platform-specific. This means that the presence of the badge will depend on the platform being used, making it even more important to pay attention to where and how it appears. The VC badge is shown on carrier connections across the platforms that nShift supports. This gives users a consistent way to recognize a verified carrier. In short, the VC badge is your quick and reliable guide to identifying verified carriers. It's platform-specific, so keeping an eye on its placement is key. This program is about transparency, accountability, and delivering trust at every stage of the carrier relationship. Let's look at the actual metrics that determine whether a carrier qualifies being a verified carrier. The program is intentionally simple, built around two key metrics. The first metric is, does the carrier have more than 10,000 labels generated annually via our nShift shippers, platform-specific? The second metric is, does the carrier have 10 or more shippers actively using them? If the answer to both is yes, then that carrier is in a far stronger position than one that does not meet these thresholds. Meeting these criteria means the carrier is widely adopted and trusted within the nShift network. It also means that, when offering this connection to potential new shippers, the carrier has a clear advantage. Shippers are more likely to recognize and trust carriers already being used by many others. Of course, these metrics are the foundation, but they're not the end of the process. You will still need to qualify. Check and confirm services with the shipper, ensuring what they need aligns with what the carrier provides. Apply a gap analysis to see if any additional services are required. For nShift, adding services to an existing VC is primarily a maintenance task, much faster and easier than building a completely new carrier connection. So remember, look for the verified badge. It's the clear sign that a carrier has met the program's criteria, is widely trusted, and offers both shippers and carriers a stronger position within the network. Here's what the verified carrier journey looks like. We start with the program launch. Our VC carriers are identified based on the number of parcels they handle and the size of their client base. These have volume trusted by many of our shippers who already have a significant position in the nShift network. Next, we have access to 20,000 nShift clients. Visibility to the nShift shipper that these carriers hold the verified badge and give confidence of a robust connection with nShift. Clear communication. The program ensures direct and ongoing communication between nShift and the carrier, keeping both sides aligned. Public visibility and promotion. Verified carriers benefit from visibility on the public carrier network page through dedicated landing pages and in partnership promotions. The carrier contributes proactively to the description and confirms services listed are correct. Visibility on carrier's website and partner program, if applicable. Verified carriers benefit from visibility on the public carrier network library through dedicated landing pages and partnership promotions. Regular marketing campaigns. Ongoing campaigns highlight these carriers to customers, ensuring recognition and growth. In summary, the VC journey is designed to be self-explanatory, transparent, and beneficial at every stage. Carriers gain visibility and opportunities. Customers get quick access to trusted providers, and nShift strengthens its network with verified, reliable carriers. Connect to over 1,000 carriers in more than 190 countries, plus more than 70 Pluto networks in over 1.2 million locations. Get standardized real-time tracking events your stack can use. See how by booking a demo using the link in the description, or drop your questions in the comments. nShift. It's all in the delivery.